PTE listening tips. PTE listening you have 8 questions. The first is summarize spoken text. Summarize spoken text എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു audio കേൾക്കും. Based on the audio you have to summarize and you have to type it back. So number of words എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ 50 to 70 and the ideal is you can type 60 to 70 and don't go beyond 70 words. And you can use phrases instead of keywords. And the second is multiple choice, multiple answer, just select one answer, just move on. And the third is listening fill in the blanks, which is very important. Hear the audio carefully and type the answer with the correct spelling. And fourth is select missing words, which is not that much important, just select one, move on. Multiple choice single answer, not that much important, select one, move on. Highlight correct summary, also not that much important, just select one option and move on. And next comes this highlight incorrect words, which is very important and that has also negative marking. So നമ്മൾ അതിൽ highlight ചെയ്തത് correct word ആയില്ലെങ്കിൽ you will get -1. And last one is write from dictation. Very important question in PTE. So here all the words, like type maximum number of words and write from dictation that you hear from the audio, and you can also add extra words in write from dictation. See you in next video.